Boom. Sun is setting. The SGR.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I'm doing.
Wow, reptile. So this is Kibos Road, guys, and in today's video we are doing a walk from Kondele. Kondele is this side. Today's video we are walking from Kondele to Kibos. This is the real streets of Kibos Road. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is TK, the Great Khalid. Wow. Stampede. So this is TK, the Great Khalid. We are at Kibos Road, headed towards Kibos to see the update of the Kisumu Nairobi SGR Malaba. So this is Forums. So it's evening time. The sun is this way. That's why I can't capture nice shots. But this way, the shots are fantabulous. So we want to do a walk from Kondele to Kibos. Right now we are at Forens. That is Ntura. So we are at Konalejo right now. This road takes you to Manyata Estates. We have the next center is Konambuta, Konamaji and the rest. So this is the way. But for us we're going down. Going down Kibos Road. So in today's video, a lot of construction works going on. So today's video, we want to see the updates of the Kibos Road since it has been under construction over the last 1 month. Right now the big trailers from Kibos Sugar Factory are not using this road. So this is prevention. huge trailers of Kibos Sugar Factory are using the Kondele Mamboleo road, since this road is under construction ahead. This side is Jovemat, this side is Joventure Hotel. So it's a very bright evening, as you can see here at Kibos Road. It's 5:25 p.m. and we want to rush up to Kibos, an evening walk to Kibos. So that is Havana Hotel. We want to do a walk to Kibos, the updates of Kibos Road construction, and also the updates of the Kisumu Malaba SGR. Some cows here. Want to see the updates. Let's go. So the sun is behind me, that's why I'm kind of dark, but have no otherwise. Let's keep going as I show you the nice shots from Kibos Road up to the railway line. Hopefully, let's cross our fingers, we catch up with the MGR train. Apartments to let. So you want to rush so that you catch the train, the MGR. We have the SGR and the MGR. So normally goes to Nairobi on Sundays from Kisumu. So hopefully we'll catch the MGR at Kibos station. Let's hope so. So we have constructions and construction works all over. Here at Kibos Road. Some are new, some are old. So easy zips. So guys, we are at Ogango. We are currently at Ogango area. Also one of the fast growing estates here in Kisumu, Kibos Road. You explore the inside of the estate, you'll see so many apartments under construction here at Ogango. So right ahead of us, it's the Ogango Primary, or is it Junior? Ogango Junior and Senior. So this is Ogango Primary School. You can see people playing volleyball. As I stated, we have so many hotels like this one, Queen Star Hotel, right next to the Translake estate. That side, those big story apartments, it's the Translake estate. So we are still en route here at Kibos Road. As you can see, it's a very busy road, full of people. So we are at Kamaka stage, and in front of us is Elgons. So we are not doing bad. We have got like 20 minutes to be at Kibos, so that we catch the MGR. We'll be late, we won't catch it. We won't be able to film it passing as it goes to Nairobi. So that is Translate. So where you see this big chimney, it's the iron smelting industry. So this industry or this factory processes iron here at Kibos Road. And it's full of smoke. I think on camera you can't see it here, but it produces a lot of dark smoke. So this is Elgons for you. See, it's coming up. Very nice high-rise and apartment here at Elgons. As you can see, this is Elgons for you. So if you haven't seen Elgons, right now you see it, but we are not going deep inside Elgons because our today's mission is to see where the SGR here at Kibos, which was launched by the President of Kenya and Uganda some months ago. So let's keep going and explore the streets of Kibos Road. This is Elgons Junction or Elgons Stage. See, they have marammed the road. Hey. There's a nice Subaru Outback here at Elgons. So these are the real streets of Kibos Road. I see a lot of Indians dominating the area. So they are the ones that own several industries here in Kibos Road. And right there is Kirdi. It's Kenya Institute of what? Research and Development, if I'm not wrong. So the road here is wide and it's enough to be a dual. So the problem starts at Kondele. At Kondele area is where the area is so squeezed, so if they decide to dual the road, they'll have to vacate a lot of people from the road reserve. So we are at Kirdi. I've forgotten the abbreviation in full. I keep forgetting. And that side is Bok gases. BOC gases. Right there. And this is Kirdi. Kibos Road. Guys, I'm noticing something funny. People are scattered at this field. I don't know what's happening. Are they meditating? People are scattered. Like everyone is seated alone. Looks so funny. I think they're meditating or they are doing some prayers or something. So guys, today's video, as I stated earlier, you want to see the updates of the SGR and also the updates of the Kibos Road construction. So let's keep going. And our mission is to see the Kisumu Nairobi train. So let's cross our fingers and catch up with the train. And we have some businesses here. The 3 businesses here at the Lake Basin Development Authority, where we have a rice mill this side. Guys, can you see Kenya Airways taking a turn? Kenya Airways is making a turn right there at the skies of Kisumu, headed towards Kisumu International Airport. It's massive. Boeing 37, I don't know. Boeing 737, if I'm not wrong. Not an aeronautic engineer. So the street lights are on and it's daytime, imagine. The Odinga girls here at Enigma Resort. Enigma reminds us of the late Raila Amolo Odinga. Enigma Resort. So this is the improvement of Kisumu Town Bypass, a national government project. So it commenced on August and it should be done by May, and already we are in June, entering July. They are so slow. So very slow. So this is a diversion. The real road is right there. but it's only remaining the pouring of tarmac, because they have done the backfilling with Mara and also poured the first coat of tar. So it's a creepy diversion. Creepy diversion. Let's walk this side. I show you how they have done. So they have put a small drainage, and also this is the state of the road. That side is Kibos School. It's a comprehensive school. As you can see, they have done the backfilling with maram and some small stones, and they have put the road curbs. It's only remaining the tarmacking. I think they should have expanded the road a little bit, because Kibos Center, it's a huge center. Not really huge as such, but it deserves a dual carriage. The government should think beyond single carriage. So this is the state of Kibos Road. We are almost at the Kibos Center here in Kisumu. Dalu Complex Plaza, Kibos. So on camera you might think they have done the tarmac, but it's yet to be done. See, there are some stones popping up. So there's some question marks with the drainage. To me it looks small in the way the rains here, they decide to rain, it becomes chaotic, it floods. But let's see, let's wait and see. So from afar you can see the Nandi Hills that way. The Nandi Hills are really visible from here. The diversion is so squeezed, causing the jam. We are at Kibos railway line. So that's the evening sun. Evening sun. So people are just chilling, waiting for the train to pass. So that side is Kibos Center, right there, that side. I think we have reached early, and I thought I'd be late. But sometimes the train also delays. So that's the sun. So there was a meme circulating around. There was a post from Kenya Railways saying you should not walk on the railway. And then on the comments someone was saying, why are you cautioning us from walking at the railway, yet you guys I've taken the picture from the railway line. Look at the sun. Magnificent. This is Kibos. Kibos railway line. So that tiny house, that one is the station, the Kibos station. Tiny iron house. That's the station. And the center is just next to the station. You can see even the red bus is passing. So let's hope the train passes. It's already 6:10. It's already 6:10 in the evening. So let's hope the train passes. You can see some guys chilling. I don't want to film them. Guys, another plane is coming. This is a jumbo jet. A jumbo jet. We are not lucky. The train is not passing today. We have bad luck. So let's go and see at the site where the SGR terminus will be built. So let's go. Look at the sunset. The sun is setting. It's so orange. So this is the old line, or the MGR. So the standard, I think the standard gauge railway will be passing parallel with the MGR. Look at that sign. You might think this high voltage, it's the Eiffel Tower. So we have some apartments from behind. Here along the railway line. And look at that tree. So antique. So this is where the SGR Kisumu was launched. We are like 50 meters to the site, and that's where we'll end our video from. We were not lucky to see the MGR. I think it's not operational today, so I'll put a video of it when I last saw it at Obunga, at the Obunga bypass. That's what I'll put in place. So hopefully next time we will see the MGR. I wanted to show you how people board the evening train, the night train from Kisumu, Kibos station, but it was not possible. So this is the views. These are the views. We have other homes and apartments and constructions ongoing, and the sun has already set. Imagine, just as fast as that. the sun has already set, so here we go. Here we go. So there's some small ships, you might think it's tarmac, but it's some small ships. So the people living in this yellow apartment are the ones that enjoy the trains. They can tell on which specific days the trains normally pass. So look at those homes. They'll be the lucky people, but I'm sure when the SGR terminus will be built, they'll fence it, so they won't have that privilege of accessing the station. So as you can see, there's this huge trailer, not trailer, truck. There's this huge truck just chilling and some people guarding it. So this is the old line. Let me go and show you the new line. The new line is just in front of us. So right now it's just an open field, as you can see, and some heaps of stone. So that's the old line. The new line is right here. So nowadays I can see they normally use the concrete. So welcome to the SGR terminus, Kisumu. So in a few, it will be officially commencing the construction in July. So let's wait and see. So you'll come back here in the coming years and see the changes. Right now it looks like this, but in the coming years you won't be able to tell. So this is the bill, the board. So this is where the president launched the SGR. Wow, look at that. This is the SGR, the President of Kenya Standard Gauge Railway, officially launched on 21st. Wow. So guys, this is where the commissioning of the SGR was done by the President of Kenya. President His Excellency William Samoei Ruto and His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. So they were here and they launched the SGR, which is this banner. Is it a banner or what? So this is where the site is. Let me give you a 360 of the site. So this is the site. So let's walk on the railway line, then we call it a day. You can see some kids are playing on the railway line. So this is the standard gauge railway. So I'm privileged to walk on this SGR. You won't be able to walk on top like this. So nowadays they use concrete instead of metal. So So this middle crosses used to be metals, but right now they're using concrete. So we are walking on the SGR, guys. Imagine. So when it is officially commissioned, you won't be able to walk on top like this. This is a privilege right now. Wow. So that's the old line, and this one is the new line, and there's an entire field right there. There's an entire field, and from afar you can see Migosi and Lolwe. So this is how the SGR looks like. It's tied with bolts. It's so heavy, imagine. This is a 360 of the entire field. Let's wait and see how the final product will be. Can't wait to see the final product. So it will be easing traffic and even the cost of transport from Nairobi to Kisumu and even Uganda, because it's fast, and I'm sure it will be cheaper than the buses. So that is it. And also it will be very easy to connect from Kenya to Uganda. Imagine traveling from Mombasa, all the way from Mombasa to Kisumu. That's around 700 plus kilometers. Then linking with Kampala. Imagine. Probably it will ease time and even the transport costs. Let's say you are a businessman and having containers at the Mombasa port, you'll be able to receive your shipment faster compared to road because of jams and all that. So it's a good thing. So that's where we'll end our video from. I hope you enjoyed the views. If you did, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. See you on our next adventures. Ciao.